Hello, Taurus. Welcome to this wonderful channel, Love a Divine Family. This beautiful read, you can just see the background. There are two cuties over there. Definitely, the reading is all about gonna be you are longing for a partner, right, Taurus? You think about them, you wanting to know what their mindset is for this partnership, for this relationship, how they literally are, and what sort of things are happening in their lifestyles, and what you need to do. You need to actively participate, which will make them feel supportive in this relationship. Let's begin. Let me check it. What do we have? The very first card to shower with is the Two of Pentacles. Now, Taurus, this reading is gonna be very deeper. Okay, we're gonna instruct a lot of things into this read, much more informative. Also, I think it's gonna be a long video. Okay, now if the viewers, you people, whoever are looking up at it, and if you feel that the longer videos, the longer versions of it is much more active with you, or you are getting happier with it, you want us to make longer videos, more informative, much deeper videos regarding these sessions and all, please do comment and tell us, and shower lots of love to these videos so that it encourages us to make much more. Also, I would say that share, guys, share to lots of people, your friends, family members, anybody who is much more interested into it. Tell them to support us by subscribing and sharing in the social media statuses, applications as well. Now, Two of Pentacles is somewhere, I would say that whoever you're dealing with here, or the person, right now the current situation with this individual is something that they seem unbalanced. Also, there are two different situations in their life which they are facing, and they're trying to make a decision, but it is not coming up to an end one. Okay, also I feel this individual is sometimes very moody people. Yes, they are very moody. Somewhere they would say they're happy, sometimes they would be sad, and the mood changes very early. Yes, there's a very bigger mood swings which is connected, or which is related with this individual. Yeah, let's see the next cards for you. Okay, so we are having the Knight of Wands, the King of Swords. Okay, you just can see the bottom of the deck is the Star, and as a popping card, a side roll card, I would say, it's a Six of Swords also, which is there. Taurus, your partner somewhere is an active participator in everything. Now, right now, what I see with this individual is they are first of all very courageous, and they are somewhere in a position where they know what to bring into the table and what to keep it to themselves. Very clear persons. Yes, they are filled with clarities. They are filled with the things that if I want it from my Taurus, I'm gonna speak out this way. Yes, this individual has a lot of past baggages and trust issues involved, so you need to very much carefully enter into this individual's life when you're entering for a relationship factor. Why? Because they've ended this, they have drawn a line, drawn a border. They do not want anybody to enter that boundary actually. Why? Because they feel that they have been betrayed in love, in relationship, and also just because the situations were always in a different manner with this individual, not too much favorable, not too much against, some things like that. So there is, it's keeping a sense of differentiation. Yeah, also I feel this individual's thought thinking, what they are wanting from you is, you please create a balance when you go towards this individual. Not only balance, but also you tell that this individual, you make them this assurity that I'm going to be with you, I would never ever leave you. Things has to be like this, it has to be done like this. Okay, Devil, Devil seems to come into the page. With the page of swords, nicer. Okay, this is the third card the universe tells me to put out. Five of Pentacles, my god. Ten of Swords, bottom of the deck. Let me reveal the energies again. Taurus, I would say one thing, that this individual somehow is claiming this fact that just because they are in this juggling factors, they are into this situation where they see two people together and they're unable to decide which way to go. There might be a chance that they would see beauty first, because for them somewhere beauty is much more important, that physical attraction is much more important for this individual. So if you're not grooming yourself up, if you don't come towards them with this manner where yes, they're groomed, I don't feel like Taurus you would be able to impress this individual. I don't see this thing. But secondly, I would say the sexual pleasures are high. They are not a person who would really be satisfied in a smaller portions, not at all. They need it deeply, they need it in a lot of different manners as well. And the way to love is also through lots of communications. So until and unless you know how to communicate, know how much to communicate, you won't be able to connect with this individual. So with them spending much more time trying to connect with this individual in the terms of talkings is really important. Take your conversations very lightly and very clearly. This individual is also not a lover of having conversations which is very much modified and stuffs like that. Sugar coated versions, it doesn't suit this individual. They would be very straightforward in their approach, in their talkings and everything. This individual has lived a life with a lot of loneliness. They have been alone in their life. So I think that is where and also this individual has a backstory, lots of backstories I would say, which is really hurting, which is really something that they have carried it with themselves and they haven't revealed it to anyone. Why? Because they never saw a kind of this kind of a person to come and settle and sit and have a communication and have a conversation where they can reveal energies, they can reveal a lot of things. They didn't saw that thing happening. So I feel here that you need to actively participate, Taurus, in this individual's life first. Have little of conversations, but you need to have a lot of conversations to understand them, because first step is to understand. If you don't understand this individual in relationship, that what they require, what they want, how they want to enter it, you won't be able to make this a successful one with them. Also you may see that just because of lots of mood swings, they might say like, okay, they would be, see, I'm just telling you a situation that a person from the home, they thought that I'm gonna go in a restaurant and have a pasta, okay, but when they went, I think in the roadside only, okay, while they were walking, while they were in the riding situation, whatever, when they entered the restaurant, they just mood switched up and they saw somewhere kind of a chocolate cake scent and something, and they said that I'm gonna have a mug cake, I'm gonna have a chocolate cake. So yeah, this can be a very bigger situation with them. Do not be like, okay, if this person told me a pasta, they would eat the pasta. No, you need to understand, okay, try to take their decision on the spot. What do you want, what we should order, something like that, because their decision, their suggestions are important, remember, and please give that a priority. Write it down, note it down anywhere. You need to give priority to their decisions, okay. Rest is all good with this individual. Other things, everything I have just told you. I hope it's resonating, dear Taurus, and you would be happy if we are taking a longer versions of our videos. If it is so, please do comment and tell us, because until and unless you comment, we won't be able to relate with you people. I'm really happy to have conversations. You know that these side conversations are always a very bigger thing for me. Why? Because I think connecting with the stranger, especially because right now I don't know each individual of you, but we soon are gonna get something through where we can have an individual meet also with the people, with my viewers, whoever want to know questions and answers and dealings with that. Surely we'll do some things, but till now, stay tuned. Do subscribe, do share, tell people to subscribe. That's it. Thank you everyone.